Rising above the city of Kharj, this iconic water tower stands as both an engineering achievement and a symbol of the region's growth. Built in the 1980s, the tower was originally designed to store water for the city's expanding population, supporting life in one of Saudi Arabia's most historically water-rich regions. Standing approximately 105 meters tall, the tower dominates the skyline, reflecting both its purpose and the city's continued development. More than just infrastructure, the tower was developed as a multi-purpose landmark, featuring a rotating restaurant, observation areas, and public spaces. Today, it remains one of the city's most recognizable landmarks, blending utility, architecture, and culture into a single structure.